हाँ जी. What are the components of Visual Basic window? Title bar, menu bar. आपकी बुक कहाँ पे है? लास्ट तो करने क्या आए हैं? रिवीजन हो जाएगी ऐसे. घर पे बैठ के भी आपने क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करी, स्कूल आए हो तो विदाउट बुक हो, तो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न द आंसर्स? So the components are title bar, menu bar, solution explorer, properties window, toolbox, code window, form window. Name the window or name the component of the Visual Basic through which the user interacts with the application. So that is called the form window. Dash are the attributes that defines the appearance and behavior of the object. Its properties. Window नहीं है वो. These are called properties. Attributes कौन से होते हैं? Through the which we are going to depict the behavior of the object. That are called properties. Which window is used to set the properties of the form? That is called properties window. Which window displays the list of forms and other objects that constitute the application? Solution explorer. Name the component that is used to write the codes of an object. The answer is code window. So what is the latest version of Visual Basic? HTML5. What is the? That is VB 2000. The latest version of Visual Basic, VB 2017, launched by Microsoft in the year 2017. Name various programming languages. C, C++, Java, C#, JavaScript, Python, right? Visual Basic. Dash is an evolution of the Visual Basic language and is targeted to develop the Windows and web applications. VB.NET. VB.NET. Full form of PHP. Hypertext Preprocessor. The full form of PHP is Hypertext Preprocessor. What are the steps for developing a VB application? What are the steps for developing a VB application? First step, you will create a form. Second step, adding controls to the form. Third step, to do coding for a particular control on the form. सबसे पहले आप फॉर्म को क्रिएट करेंगे. क्रिएट करना मतलब डिजाइन, डिजाइनिंग ऑफ अ फॉर्म. हाउ टू डू डिजाइनिंग ऑफ अ फॉर्म? by placing a controls, right? Then you will add the controls. Controls की आपने सबकी properties set कर ली. After setting the properties on a button, then you have to do a coding. How to add controls to the form? What are the ways by which you can add controls to the form? First method, drag the control. तो सबसे पहले कंट्रोल को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. गेट अप यू, कम हियर, कम ऑन फर्स्ट बेंच. Select the control, then drag the control from the toolbox to a form at a desired place. जहां पे भी आप उसको रखना चाहते हैं, आप कंट्रोल को ड्रैग करके फॉर्म के ऊपर लेके आएंगे. सेकेंड मेथड, double click on the control in the toolbox, the control will be placed on a form. So there are two methods. Once again, the first method is dragging वाला method है पहला आपके पास, drag the control. Second, double click on the control. Double click on the control. How to set the properties for a control? How to set properties for the control? Firstly, you have to select the control, then in the properties window, select the desired properties for a particular control. जिस भी control की properties set करनी है वो आप कहाँ पे करेंगे? In the properties window, right? Now next, what is a label? That is used to display a text or a particular name. So label is a control which is used to display some text. The properties of label control: name you can set, text set कर सकते हैं, for color, back color और font, visible set, yes. Enabled, enabled क्या होता है?
Text.
वेदर मिनिमाइज, टेक्स्ट को कैसे मिनिमाइज कर लोगे, लेबल को कैसे कर लोगे? हाँ जी, वेदर द कंट्रोल एक्टिव है कंट्रोल आपका या डीएक्टिव है, आपने उसको एक तरह से हिडन कंट्रोल बनाया हुआ है या नहीं, आप उसको इनेबल्ड कर रहे हो या डिसेबल कर रहे हो. अगर तो वो कंट्रोल डिसेबल है, यू कैन नॉट वर्क ऑन दैट कंट्रोल. ओके, तो नेम, व्हाट विल बी द नेम प्रॉपर्टी डू? नेम प्रॉपर्टी से क्या होगा? टू गिव द नेम टू अ पर्टिकुलर कंट्रोल, राइट? कहाँ पे यूज होता है वो? कोडिंग सेक्शन में. And if you want the text to be displayed on a form, then which property is to be set? Text property. So learn the definitions. Name, that will define the label while writing a program. Text, that will contain the text which is to be displayed on a particular control. जैसे आपके पास ये एक फॉर्म है, इसके ऊपर आपने कोई भी कंट्रोल रखा. फर्स्ट नेम, what is this? This is called, and this is called text box, right? So whatever the name it is appearing here, first name यहाँ पे आपके पास फॉर्म के ऊपर डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? From which property? This is to be set using text property. आप इसमें नेम नहीं सेट करेंगे. नेम इसका क्या है? लेबल 1. क्लियर? लेबल 1 इज द नेम और उसके ऊपर जो फर्स्ट नेम डिस्प्ले हो रहा है, दिस इज अ टेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. द डिफरेंस इज क्लियर? सिमिलरली इसका नेम क्या है? टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 1, और इसका टेक्स्ट क्या होगा? जो भी आप इसके अंदर फिल करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज द फॉन्ट. So this property will set the font style. You can set the font size. ठीक है? For a particular control. For color, that is used to change the foreground color. That means the color of the text, whatever the text that is appearing here, you want to set this color. So the color can be set using font color property. Next is back color. If you want to give background color to a particular control, पीछे उसके कौन सा कलर आएगा? That can be set using back color property. Now, what is a text box? Okay, visible. Whether you want your control to be hidden or visible. Next is, what is a text box control? Text box that allows the user to enter input in a particular control. The name property in the text box, again it will define the name for a corresponding text box. Text, it will contain the text which is to be displayed in the text box. Font property, that is used to set the font size and style of a font which is to be entered in the text box. Logged, whether you want to resize or you want to move your control, the property is logged. Logged equal to true. अगर आप logged equal to true करेंगे तो that means we cannot move or resize it. So logged equal to false means we can easily drag it, we can resize it, we can move on to some another. Next is the max length property. To set the maximum length of the text that the user can enter in a text box. अगर आपने बोला max length equal to 10, तो 10 से ज्यादा वो 11th करेक्टर आपको एंटर ही नहीं करने देगा टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में. So we have set the maximum length of a control. Multi-line, that is used to display whether the text is to be displayed in a single line or a multi-line. तो अगर आप multi-line बना रहे हैं तो आप more than one line it can be entered in a text box. Okay. Next control is button. Button is a command which we are giving. When we are going to click on it, we are going to perform some action. So it will give commands to the application. Again, you can set the name, font color, font, back color. Then you can make it as a visible. You can lock it or unlock it. आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बटन की पोजीशन फिक्स रहे तो आपको उसको लॉक करना पड़ेगा. So the same properties can be set. In case of the text box, we can set max length as well as multi-line. So the properties are clear. Any doubt? Next is how to write code for an event. Coding कैसे करनी है? Double click on a control. The code window will open. Inside the sub function, वहां पे आपके पास function होगा private sub and sub, right? So in between that you have to write a line of codes. बस यही ध्यान देना, आपने कर्सर की पोजीशन को चेंज नहीं करना है. जहां पे भी बटन आ रहा है आप उसको सिंपली डबल क्लिक करेंगे. डबल क्लिक करने पे जहां पे भी कर्सर अपीयर हुआ है विद इन द फंक्शन, सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट राइटिंग द कोड फ्रॉम देयर. एनी डाउट? क्लियर है? So the methods for running the Visual Basic project, there are 3 methods by which you can execute. You can run the program. First method, the shortcut key, that is F5 shortcut key. The shortcut key is F5. Second method, debug menu, start debugging option. तो यहाँ पे बुक में गलत दिया हुआ है. It's given under the debug section in the menu bar. So simply write down the command here. Debug menu arrow start debugging option. Third method, start debugging on the standard toolbar. 3 methods कौन से हैं? Either you can press F5 shortcut key. Second, debug menu, start debugging option. Start debugging option. Third, start debugging option on standard toolbar. These are the methods for running a VB program. So once again, revise it. First method, F5 key. Debug menu, start debugging option. Third, Start debugging option on the standard toolbar. How to save a Visual Basic program? How to save it? File menu, save option. What is the extension for saving? क्या बोला आपने? Dot VB for saving the project or VB form. So the extension for saving the VB form is dot VB, and if you are saving the project, the extension is dot VB proj. Dot VB proj. This is for the project, and if you are simply saving the VB form, the extension is dot VB. Clear? Any doubt? How to close a VB project? File menu, close option. File menu, close option. To open an existing project, file menu, open option. So you have to locate the project, whatever the project you want to open, and click on the open button again, right? So I'm just recalling all the points of the chapter. So Visual Basic, it is a programming language developed by Microsoft in the year 1991. It is called event-driven programming. Why event-driven programming? Because the statements are going to be executed as soon as some event will occur. The events can be clicking a mouse, double clicking, your mouse hovering the particular control, key press. Okay, so all these are the events. So when a particular event will occur, a set of statements are to be executed. So VB is a GUI based interface, graphical user interface, because we are able to interact with the form. Interaction कैसे कर रहे हैं? Through some controls. Name various controls in the toolbox. Label, text box, radio button, check box, button, list box, picture box. ठीक है, ये सारे controls हैं आपके पास. What are the three modes of the Visual Basic program? Design mode, run mode, break mode. What is design mode? So in this mode, the user is going to design a form with the help of certain controls. What is run mode? Run mode means the execution of a program. Break mode, we have to halt the programming or we have to stop in between in case we are not getting the desired output. What is a form? It is an interface through which the user will interact. Properties window, that is used to set the properties of the form and other controls that are placed on the form. Label, that is used to display a text on the form. Label is used to display a text on the form. Text box is a control which is used to receive input from the user. Command button is used to give command to the application. Okay, name the mode in which we create the objects and write the logical statements for the VB application. So, किस mode में हम applications अपनी statements लिखते हैं? That is a design mode. Window which will display the list of forms and other objects that constitute the application. Answer is Solution Explorer. Which property of text box control is used to set the maximum length of a text? Max length property. Function key used to execute the Visual Basic program. F5 key. The extension of Visual Basic form. Dot VB. application based, Manas is the regional manager of a company. He has to update himself by writing the daily plans and thoughts on a label. So which property of label control will you suggest? Text property से form के ऊपर दिखाई देता है, text से दिखाई देता है. So we have to display a text. So with the help of the text property. Swati wants to display a list of forms and other objects that constitute the application. So name the component for the same. Solution Explorer component. Okay, now write down the properties. Make a table of the controls. Make the table of a controls. Vertical lines लगाओ. बच्चे the screen is visible. Yes, Vedanti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so firstly, write down the names of the control. Write the names of the control. इसको भी hold पे करो. नीचे next question डालो. Name the controls. Name various controls of Visual Basic. Number 1, button. Number 1, button. Checkbox. Checkbox कैसे लिख रहे हो? Without any space, okay? Button. So these are the names of the controls. Checkbox. Again, the B is capital. Text box. Text box. Label. Button. क्या चीज? Pointer is also correct. Button. Checkbox. Text box. Label. Combo box. Combo box. Next is radio button. Again, B capital without any space. Picture box. Picture box. List box. So tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with the concept of list box, that is looping. The portion that we have deducted in the last term, हमने loops वाला topic cut करा था ना, so that will be included in the final term exams. So we are going to start with that tomorrow. Okay. So list box, progress bar, progress bar, कितने हो गए? 10, 9. List view. List view. Button, checkbox, combo box, label, list box, list view, picture box, progress bar, radio button, text box. Total 10 controls. All of you have noted it down. Now write down the properties for the label control first. Label. Number one, name. Name. Back color. Again, back color में space नहीं देनी है. Name. C capital. Back color. Border style. S capital. Name, back color, border style. Enabled. Enabled. Font. For color. For color. Logged. Margin. Margin means अगर आप कोई बटन बना रहे हैं like this, आपने लिखा यहाँ पे बटन पे OK. So whatever the margin space that you want to left from all the four sides. So we are going to set the spacing around a text. Okay, that is called a margin. Text. Visible. All these are the properties of button control. Margin, logged, for color, back color, text, name, font, enabled, visible, border style. Written. Sorry, these are the properties of label. हम label की कर रहे थे ना. Now coming on to the margin. Oh, sorry, button. So all these are the properties of label. अब बटन की लिखो आगे. Name, text, for color, back color, enabled, font, enabled, font, logged, margin, text, visible. All the properties are there in the button also except border style. सारी की सारी प्रॉपर्टीज लेबल कंट्रोल की हैं. बॉर्डर स्टाइल को छोड़ दो. ऑल द प्रॉपर्टीज आर ऑफ बटन कंट्रोल आल्सो. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ टेक्स्ट बॉक्स. नेम. टेक्स्ट बॉक्स की लिखो बच्चे आगे. नेम, बैक कलर, border style, name, back color, border style. आपने बाद में कहां से लेनी है प्रॉपर्टीज? नेम, बैक कलर, border style, enabled, enabled, font, for color, border style, logged, enabled, logged, font for color, margin, max length, multi-line, max length, max, then length का L capital, multi-line, multi फिर line का L capital, multi-line, text, margin, visible. तो जितनी प्रॉपर्टीज मैंने यहाँ पे लिखी है लेबल की, all the properties along with 2 extra properties, that is max length and multi-line. Clear? Now next, checkbox. Properties of checkbox. Name, back color, checked. Third property, name, back color, checked, enabled, font, for color, logged, margin, text, visible, text, visible, written. Now radio button, name, रेडियो बटन की लिखो, नेम, बैक कलर, नेम, बैक कलर, चेक्ड, इनेबल्ड, फॉन्ट, फॉर कलर, लॉग्ड मार्जिन, टेक्स्ट, visible, text, margin, log. जितनी टेक बॉक्स की लिखवाई है सेम ही है. All the properties are of radio button as well. Okay, इसमें checked property एक ऐड हुई है. हम बोलते हैं ना रेडियो बटन 1 डॉट checked equal to true, right?